Hello and welcome to the last video in the 30-day guitar challenge. Today you are learning how to play Sweet Child of Mine. We have a lot of chords to cover, so let's get right to it. We will need chord D, C, G, A, and E minor. There are a few chords here that don't use string 6, so remember not to strum or touch that one when we need to leave that one out. Our strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And our chord pattern here for the verse is D chord twice, C chord twice, G chord twice, and back to D chord twice. If you repeat this pattern, you have the entire verse. Let's go a little slower just to practice. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and she's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright sky. Keep going. Awesome. And so now we've gotten to the chorus, and our pattern there is 1 time on A chord, 1 time on C chord, and 2 times on D. So let's try just the chorus chords. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. C, D. Again, D. Little tip is if you do A chord with middle ring and pinky, then your middle finger is already in position for C chord, so you don't need to move that around. So let's try that again, the chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and sweet child of mine. One more time, go. Sing love my heart. Yeah. Then in the next parts of the song, we either have other verses or choruses, but they follow the same patterns that you've already learned. So let's skip down to the outro. Okay, the outro is where we introduce the E minor. So we do that one time. 1. Then we have G. Then A. And the fastest chord switch that we have in this song is C and D. And the strumming that I'm doing there is down, down, up, and then D. Whenever you're doing a fast chord switch, it's better to keep the strumming hand going than to land the chord first. So if your hand takes a little bit longer to switch, play everything a little bit slower, but keep the strumming hand going. The strumming hand is like your clock. So let's try that chord progression for the outro. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, down, down, up, down, down, up, then repeat it again. This chord progression repeats 8 times. And so you do that 8 times, and once you're ready to finish the song, you end on an E minor. In the previous video, I addressed a lot of common problems, questions, and concerns that people have when they're first learning the guitar. And today I had my guitar lesson with my teacher, and I mentioned to him that one of my viewers was having a lot of pain in the elbow and the wrist and the hands. And so he recommended this because he says that sometimes beginners can overexert themselves on the guitar, like you're actually pressing too hard, harder than you need to. So he says that he recommends for his students to just lay the guitar on the lap and to just press down any string and then pick it so that they could see how little effort it really does take to get a sound out of the instrument. I'd like to congratulate you for making it this far on the challenge. With other challenges that I've done for beginners, I've really slowed things down. And on this one, I just felt that you could do it, that you could get here. So congratulations for making it this far. In this channel, I will continue to add guitar content. Now that you've gone through this challenge, you're ready for it. But if you would like to attend my weekly Patreon lessons, I teach via Zoom live. And if you can't make it to the lesson, of course, you can watch the replay. But in those lessons, I'm able to break things down that I can't do on video because it helps so much to be live and in person and sharing feedback. So join my Patreon fam for all of that. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for choosing me as your teacher, and continue playing. Bye.